We guide you through how to create a new archive folder in Microsoft Outlook. So, starting by opening Outlook on your desktop and making sure you are in the Mail view, then right-clicking on your email account or an existing folder in the left sidebar, selecting New Folder, and naming it something like Archive or any label you prefer. After that, simply drag and drop old or important emails in this new archive folder to keep your inbox clean and organized. And if you want Outlook to automatically move emails, you can go to File, click Tools or Manage Rules, create a new rule, choose the messages you want archived, and set the action to move them into your archive folder. Once done, your email will be stored safely and your inbox will stay clutter-free, making it easier to find important messages anytime and manage your Outlook emails more efficiently.